Hey guys, this is Auto Odometer, and I want to show you how I replaced my antenna mast here on my 1999 Toyota 4Runner. Now this fix should be able to be completed on any type of vehicle that has an antenna mast just like this. Now what you're going to need is obviously a new antenna, which I got mine on rockauto.com, and you're also going to need a pair of pliers. Now your new antenna mast should look something like this, and it should have a rubber boot here. Now this repair is pretty simple. You just take the pliers and put them in the little grooves here on this little silver chrome plating. All you have to do is crack it loose with your needle nose pliers here, and then you can spin the rest off with your fingers. You do have an old rubber boot that you do have to take out, but just set it to the side for now and take off this other rubber boot here that's touching the car panel. And then you can simply just take your mast out of the mast holder. Now you have to install your new mast. Take out this old rubber boot from the old mast. And then you want to slip the new mast up into the chrome screw piece here. Now this is where it gets tricky. So you have to remember how the grooves were pointed when your old mast came out. Now in my case, the grooves were pointed toward the back of the vehicle. So when you install this and you turn your radio off to allow the mast to wind in, you want to make sure that the grooves are pointed in the same direction. So since my antenna mast here is located on the passenger side, I'm able to hold the mast with my right hand, turn the radio off with my left hand. When that happens, you want to quickly make sure that the mast is catching and that the mast completely winds up into its little housing. You want to make sure that there's no exposed mast still sticking up when you completely wind it up. Unfortunately, if there is some sticking up, you might have to take, at least on this 4Runner, you'd have to take the wheel off, take the wheel cover off, and then take the wheel or take the mast assembly completely out, and there might be a plastic piece of the old mast still stuck in the wind-up reel. Fortunately, that's not the case for myself. Go ahead and tighten it up with your needle nose pliers, and then you're done. Hopefully that helped you out here for your antenna mast replacement. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.